So the thought process, right? That's what I'm always giving to you guys. How do you think about what we're trying to do? So here's your checklist. I have another checklist for you. When you have a big hand, let's give an example. Say you have 20 points and your partner opens the bidding and you're still busy counting your 20 points and going, wow, partners opened the bidding. We got a big hand here. I mean, for sure we have game, but maybe we have slam. Well, what's the thought process? And here it is. First thing you ask yourself is, do we have strength for slam? Okay. And that is a combined strength between the two hands. Second question to ask is, which denomination? Do you know where you're going? You might know you have 33 points and want to be in slam, but do you know which slam? Do you know if it's a suit contract or are you going to play in no trump, right? That's which denomination. And the third question to answer is, do you have side suit controls? Huge there. Great story. I'm going to tell you about that side suit controls when we get to it. But this is your thought process. Do I have strength for slam? If yes, do I know which denomination? If yes, then you look to your side suit controls. And if you've got all three, then you use one of the tools that we're going to talk about today, either Blackwood or Gerber. Or if one of these ideas, particularly the side suit controls, is missing, we're going to look at a tool called Q bidding, slam Q bidding. Okay, so strength of slam, which denomination, and side suit controls. Those are the three questions you have to answer before you use Blackwood or Gerber, or sometimes have to veer off into Q bidding and then come back to Blackwood. Strength for slam. So first question asked, does the partnership have enough combined points to bid slam? Well, for a small slam, our combined points is between 33 and 36 points. And those are total points, okay? 33, 36 total points. Counting high card points and long suit points for the most part, unless you're raising a major suit, in which case you subtract out your long suit points and add in your short suit points. Same type of hand analysis. You get to upgrade your kings and queens, right? You get to do everything you do getting to game to get to slam. For the Grand Slam, you want to be in the vicinity of 37 plus total points. Now, the Grand Slam doesn't come around very often. What we live and die by is trying to get to game. And when we know we have game, we investigate whether we might have a small slam. So let's look at this example we have here. South here is our hand, and North opens one no trump. Okay, so let's count up our points. 3 points in spades, 7 points in hearts, 6 points in diamonds, and 2 points in clubs. So we have 18. About now, when we're face to face, we start looking at the back of our cards to make sure that we're both having the hand out of the same board, right? Online, we don't have that issue. So we ask the first question, is there strength for slam? Well, take the average for North's one no bid, right? 15 to 17. And the average is 16. And we add 18 to 16, and we come up with 34. So we are definitely right in the middle of 33 to 36 total points. All right, so next question is, do we know which denomination? Well, we don't have any kind of major suit interest here. We're an ugly duckling shape, 4 triple 3. We want to play no trump. So yes, we know what denomination is no trump. And then we look for side suit controls. Now, side suit controls here, we're actually missing a side suit control in the club suit, but we have so many points, it's going to be hard to be off the ace king of clubs and go down 1 and 6. So in this case, we wouldn't even want to use Blackwood or Gerber. It would be Gerber in this instance because it's no trump. And we're going to talk about Gerber as well. But you want to use it when you have a question to answer. And in this case, we just want to bid 6 now. Just bid it.